I think the girls with their nails done now.
Hello friends, I believe that everyone is doing great in their life. So let us start our discussion on interpreter and script mode in Python. To open interpreter mode, click on the three lines icon on top left corner and then click on interpreter. Interpreter mode is basically the interactive mode. Here you can give one command at a time. Python will execute the command and output will be given. Let us try to understand this with a simple code. Print my name is Orino. Here we got the output as my name is Orino. Now let us try some arithmetic commands. 1 plus 4. Here we got the output as 5. Let us try some more. Here we did many examples to show you that in interpreter mode we can give one command at a time only. Now let's get started with script mode. Default mode in Pydroid is script mode. It is used to give many commands in the form of program file. Let's try to understand this with a simple program. Let's run this program. First number be 15, second number be 5, operator be addition. Here we got the result as 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Let's try other operators also. I hope so you understood everything, but if you have any query you can comment down in comment section. Thank you for watching our video.